Hi, this is Elizabeth for Naked Cosmetics, and today I will be showing you basic application of blush and bronzer using Naked Cosmetics loose pigments. I've already applied a light coverage foundation to our model, and now I'm going to be mixing a custom blush color for her. Today, I will be using Naturally Nude No. 3 and Sierra Nevada No. 3 for a touch of warmth. Also, I'm going to be making it into a cream application, so I will be using Naked Advanced Skin Cream as a mixing base. To begin with, I'm going to take a small amount of the skin cream on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take Sierra Nevada No. 3 and add just a little bit to it. And then Naturally Nude No. 3. And then you just want to mix it. And adjust it until you reach your desired shade. Now I'm going to blend the custom blush color onto her cheeks. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial on application of blush and bronzer. This has been Elizabeth for Naked Cosmetics, and please be sure to check out the Naked Cosmetics YouTube channel for more videos from the series Basic Application of Loose Pigments.